In this video, we're going to discuss how to create sequences in HubSpot. So in order to do this, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot, and onto your dashboard, you can see right here this actual options. So you just need to look for the sales option, typically represented by this diagram. And from in there, you can find sequences. Proceed to click on sequences right here. Once you have done that, this will load right here this page. So just wait for this. And into this part, proceed to click on this create a sequence. So with this, you can actually automate emails and tasks by clicking onto this. You can actually create a dynamic sequence, start from scratch, or start with a pre-made template like recent conversion, event follow-up, product demo, or the likes. So in order to make things easier, let's choose right here this call heavy prospecting. You can see right here the preview of that, the days to complete, total steps, and likes. So click on this create sequence in order to start with this, but don't worry because you can also just start from scratch. You can also edit right here these options like edit the content. Since this is just a template, you can edit the steps directly. Proceed to edit the actions, edit the task, and once you're done, proceed to click on save right here. Name right here this sequence. Then also choose who can see the sequence, click on save. After that, this will be saved. Just need to see right here this window. As you can see, it's available right now. You just need to enroll it and see its performance right there. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.